Now we have this Women Africa Cup of Nations that has been postponed until July. Now the question that remains is CAF, really, the Confederation of African Football, is it under or in good hands? We know that Patrice Motsepe, the South African tycoon, who is the president of CAF, and he's brought a lot of changes. We even saw they just concluded AFCON men in Morocco, which was chaotic. And how do you see his legacy? Because some people are now questioning his legacy, whether he was the right person to take over CAF presidency. But again, you look at his tenure as a president of CAF, things haven't been smooth. Things have been rough. We've had quite a very, one of the, not fantastic, but a very chaotic AFCON that we've ever had. That is the one that happened in Morocco between December and January. But now again, the African Women Cup of Nation is now being postponed until March by Morocco itself again. So you're asking yourself, could they see this? And plus, again, if you're moving the African women tournament to July, aren't you considering that we'll be having World Cup by then, even if the World Cup will have concluded? But then the euphoria, not just euphoria, but the moment for the World Cup will have overtaken the Women Africa Cup of Nations. So I think Motsepe's tenure really is in question here. And maybe it's high time that the Confederation of African Football, with different federations all over the continent, have to look a way forward in terms of bringing back the CAF that we knew.